Hi, boys and girls. You are all turning into such math stars, and I'm so very proud of you. For the next couple of days, we're going to be working more on word problems, and we've done a little of that during meetings, so I'm not going to do any of that in today's video. Let me show you what your pages look like. You're going to need an adult to read you the problem, and then you're going to write the number sentences. We've practiced this a lot, so I think you're going to be all set with it, but it's not something you can do alone. You will need an adult. So I am suggesting that everyone complete page 51, and then page 52 looks a little different, a little more challenging, where you have to do the drawings yourself. I have all the faith in the world in you. So if you want to do the drawings there, you can. If, they read the sentence to you, like, let me read it. Charlotte is playing with pattern blocks. She has 3 squares and 3 triangles. How many shapes does Charlotte have? Of course you can draw 3 squares, 3 triangles, and you can make the sentence. If somebody wants to do that, that's great. If you say, hey, I know the number bond for that, I don't want to do the drawing, you can put the number bond in there instead. It's always fun for me to see how smart you've gotten. Now, the other thing I wanted to mention, and I want, if you have any spare time, to log on to Happy Numbers. Now, there's a couple kids that do not need to go on and do that today, and that's perfectly okay. Xylexis can skip that today. Max can skip it. Kanish, Krunal, and Caleb can skip that, definitely. The rest of you should be able to spend a little bit of time working on that. Remember, it's 45 minutes a week is what we hope for, unless you are ahead. And that's why those children, because they are very much ahead, don't need to work on it. But most of you are right where we are. You are in Module 4, and that's what I'm teaching. So, Ava, Module 4, Jackson, Maya, Olivia, Rocco, Samuel, Sebastian, you guys are all right there in Module 4. So I think you'll be able to do a little bit on your own now. Other kids that need to catch up a little bit, I want to see some work from. Benjamin, Estonal, Elijah. Gabby's right there. She's only got a little bit behind there. I don't know if I said Jackson. He's in Module 4. I think that's it. But everybody, I want to see everybody except those few that I mentioned get on. And today, I want to mention Maya. She was the math superstar last week because, oh my goodness, she did so much work in her happy numbers. And I'm very proud of her. Now, those kiddos that I mentioned, Maxwell, Krunal, Kanish, Xylexis, and Caleb, I could challenge you a little. What I think would be interesting is if you could write your own story problem. Okay? Maybe if you write your own story problem, Mom and Dad sends it to me, maybe we could work on those at morning meeting. So not everybody right now, because most of you I would like to do this work and get on happy numbers. If Kanish, Krunal, Caleb, Maxwell, and Xylexis have an extra minute or two, their challenge would be to write their own, word problem. Okay, there are 3 birds in the tree, and then 3 more came. How many birds in all? And I'd like to see if they can work on writing some of the words for that. It's a challenge. Okay, so it's a short video today because you are all doing so well and you make me very, very proud. Now, let's do this. Let's talk about doubles. We haven't done that yet. So put down everything. All you need are your hands. Are you ready? 0 plus 0 equals 0. Ready? 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Yep, you guys are very smart. And that's something, those numbers you're going to be able to remember. So I'm going to write it real quick. Remember, 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 1 equals 2. My board's in rough shape. I can't get the marks off anymore. Then what would I write? 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's what it looks like written. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. Wait, we'll go higher another time. Those are good to practice and good to know, so you could do it really fast. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 5, 10. You're getting it, boys and girls. See you soon.